In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and understand your usage limits on the Perplexity AI platform. Gaining familiarity with these settings is essential for optimizing your experience and ensuring that you can make the most out of this powerful tool. Let's start by navigating to Google. With your web browser open, simply type Google into the address bar and press Enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed in the center of the page. This is a place where all your queries are transformed into answers in the blink of an eye. For today, we are going to use it to quickly find the specific settings page on Perplexity AI that will provide us with crucial information about our usage and limits. Click into the search bar. You'll want to type the following URL: Perplexity AI REST user settings. As you type, ensure there are no typos, as incorrect entries can take you to unintended parts of the internet. After typing the URL precisely, go ahead and hit Enter. This step will direct you straight to the Perplexity AI settings page, which hosts a trove of information regarding your account specifics. Once the page is loaded, you'll be greeted with several important pieces of information. Here, one of the primary categories you will see is the GPT limit. This section provides insight into the maximum capacity for using language processing features within your account, a crucial aspect if you frequently engage with the AI tools for generating text or accomplishing various tasks that require language understanding. Be sure to check this regularly if you find yourself utilizing these capabilities often, as exceeding limits can temporarily restrict your access. Another important parameter to pay attention to is the upload limit. This is where you can ascertain the maximum volume of data or files you are allowed to upload within a given time frame. Staying informed about this constraint is particularly beneficial if your workflows include the integration of external files or datasets with the AI environment. Additionally, you might come across the alpha limit. This section refers to the threshold which may apply to newer or experimental features that you have access to. These limitations ensure fairness and stability within the system, especially when dealing with cutting-edge functionalities that are in their early stages of refinement. Besides these main points, there might be other settings and limits that tailor specifically to your usage pattern. Taking the time to become familiar with these aspects can improve your user experience and help avoid unexpected interruptions. Exploring each of these sections thoroughly will grant you a good overview of how the system accommodates your projects. Bookmark this settings page for easy future access and periodic review, which will keep your engagement smooth and efficient. And that wraps up our exploration of the Perplexity AI settings. Remember, understanding these details will empower your digital endeavors and make your time with Perplexity AI both productive and enjoyable.